Hello everyone, welcome to Filson channel. Ever wondered when to use a differential pressure switch versus a transmitter on your filtration system? If you're looking to optimize filter performance and prevent clogging, getting this choice right is crucial. Let's break it down. Part 1. What is a differential pressure switch? A differential pressure switch is a simple on-off device. You set a pressure threshold. When the differential pressure reaches that value, the switch changes state and sends an alarm signal, like lighting up a warning sign or triggering an automatic backwash. It doesn't tell you the exact pressure. It only reminds you when a preset limit has been reached. Part 2. What is a differential pressure transmitter? A differential pressure transmitter works differently. Instead of just a yes or no, it provides real-time, continuous data, usually a 4 to 20 milliamp signal. And the signal can be connected to a PLC, SCADA, or other control system for data logging and predictive maintenance. Part 3. DP switch versus DP transmitter. So, how do you choose? A simple rule of thumb: if you only need an alarm to let you know when to change the filter element, choose a differential pressure switch. It's a cost-effective, straightforward safety backup. If you require precise control, remote monitoring, or data tracking, choose a differential pressure transmitter. It lets your DCS or PLC system know exactly how much filter life is left. At Filson Filters, we engineer custom industrial filtration solutions tailored to your exact process conditions. Whether your project demands robust DP switches for hazardous areas or smart transmitters for data-driven plants, our engineering team has you covered with 25 years of expertise. Drop a comment below, visit our website, or contact our sales team directly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more industrial filtration insights. Thanks for watching.